Alright, welcome to another instruction video here. So I've just finished editing my animation. A new idea actually was to create our sprites using Pixton characters, which worked out really well. I went with Jesus on this one. Now we're going to put our audio to the video or the animation that we created, which ended up being a video in the end. I'm going to watch this video here. I'm going to hit play. But he's going to fade in, and I might have, when he jumps, like a little huh noise like that I got to record. Two there, huh, huh, maybe one there, and then right there, I'm thinking about it as he's spinning. Let me rewind it here a little bit. Coming down here as he's spinning right like that. I might have some clothing sounds as if he's spinning in the air. I want him to be very angelic with his lands, so I'm not going to have like a landing noise every time he lands. I'm also thinking, actually, as I rewind, right here he might give an inspirational quote. So again, there's our clothing noise, another hut, and as he ascends, another noise right there. Anyways, I've listed all these. Remember our video documentation. I've got a bunch of stuff here from many past videos that I've created. And I'm thinking an Alleluia as he kind of appears in here, or maybe at the beginning, I don't know. Some choir-esque chords. That was for the ascension at the end. The huh noise as he jumps, but I want it very quiet as he lands. So I wrote down my ideas here. The Jesus quote and the background music. I'm going to give some ideas in this video on how we can put a bunch of these things together and how we can edit them in to the work that we're doing. Now for the Jesus quote, I'm going to add, actually I wasn't sure what one I really wanted to add in there. It's got to be short, right, because it's only a couple seconds. I guess he could be saying it as he jumps off the thing. So what I actually did was I went into Microsoft Copilot and I googled something about what are some good quotes by Jesus about hope. And I really liked this one, Luke 18:27. Is it that one? Both of these are very close. So the Matthew one and the Luke, what is impossible with man is possible with God. I like it. Or with man this is impossible, but with God all things are possible. I'll probably go with this one just because it's shorter. So I might copy that one, paste it into my animation document here so I don't forget it. And I may as well copy the verse and put that in as well so that I can remember where it came from. And some background music. So I'm probably going to focus on the background music first. I love doing the background music. Here we go, jumping into that. Welcome to my home studio here. It's got some different things than what we have in our studio at school, but it's got a lot of the same things as well. What I've loaded into Logic X here is a MIDI of Hark the Herald Angels Sing, with the Hermod, which we also have at the on the school one. I'm able to route these MIDI signals to various modules that I have in my Eurorack here. One that I wanted in particular, it's kind of far away, is rings. Mutable instruments rings, and mutable, I don't have actually clouds, but I have beads. Rings into clouds or rings into beads are like divine as far as modular systems go. It's like the thing that people want. What I'm going to do is I've edited it a little bit. I'm going to change it, record it down. That's going to be my background music for my animation. Here we go. Yeah, that didn't work. Now here we go. What I found was I went to my Jesus course intro, and I wanted that, what you could just hear right there, that Alleluia sound. And anyways, I noticed that the Jesus that I hired to film my intro video, he's talking over it quite often. So I just Googled that, and there was a couple of them: Alleluia sound effects and Heavenly Choir sound effects. Now, I don't think that this person actually recorded them. They might have put some effect on them, but whatever. They said how to cite it here, cite their stuff. And so I downloaded these, and I've gotten the Alleluia sound effect, and I've also gotten the Heavenly Choir sound effect. I just reordered them here from when they were on there previously, because I want the... That might be it right there. I got a mic right here that's recording everything I'm saying. That's my jump. Maybe that's it. I got a couple of them now. I'm going to try and follow the spin so that it's the same length as what's happening in this video. So I got to get ready. I got to practice here. Is there a tag? I got to hang on to the tag. Yeah, something like that. Okay. That's it. I think that's it right there. I got it. It was super quick. Just a little... What is impossible with man is possible with God. Oh, it was. I feel like it wasn't quite low enough. What is impossible with man is possible with God. I'll try it out. We'll see how that is. And there's my recording. I've got all these now noted right here on my video documentation. And now I got to go in and edit the background music. And I'll have to stop recording this, and I'll probably have to cut it even shorter right here as I keep going.